If you were interested in knowing how I got these curls without heat, stay tuned. Hey everybody, so it is the next day. I allowed this Flexi rod set to sit overnight and I'm going to take them down. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram at Juicy Hair Affair to keep up with me. I did do this on live because my camera ended up dying in the process of me Flexi rodding this set. Anyways, without any further ado, I'm going to go in and yeah. So I just added this really cool new feature to the website where you can actually live chat with me while you are on the website. It'll show you that I'm online and you can go ahead and engage with me and ask me any questions that you might have about JHA's raw Indian hair. So that is what you guys may be seeing me do in the process of this takedown set. If you all are interested in, getting a full-on tutorial, I actually have one that's already uploaded to our channel. Just go ahead and actually I'll leave it down below in the description bar for you, anybody that may actually want a full-on tutorial. I think flexi rods are a great substitute for heat tools, especially if you don't know how to curl with heat. I can admit it's definitely hard to go in and curl with heat. I just recently learned how to do it with my flat iron, and sometimes you just don't feel like putting heat on your hair. So go ahead and get you some flexi rods. These flexi rods were $8 and I think I want to say I got 50 in a pack, so I got 2. And in total I paid $16 or something like that. I got them from Amazon and I'll leave the link down below in the description bar as well. So if you need flexi rods, if you want to know how I did this flexi rod set, a tutorial will definitely be linked down below, as well as a direct link to where you can get these flexi rods. And I did not add any product to this hair while curling them. I deep conditioned this hair about 2 days ago and they were still drying, so yesterday when I went into flexi rod set them, or last night when I went into flexi rod set them, they were about, I would say, like 85 to 90% dry. And this morning I just went ahead and sat this wig under my hooded dryer just to ensure that everything was dry. So I actually just got a question from a potential customer asking me if she could request lighter shade in bundles. Unfortunately, at the moment, we do not offer custom colored orders or custom orders. However, you can definitely go in and lighten your bundles. We offer the natural 1B, natural brown type of shade. So if you're looking for a lighter brown, you can definitely go in with a box dye with a 20 volume developer, or even go in with bleach to achieve the color that you want. And if you're interested in seeing how I got this color, again, I do have a mini tutorial on my channel, and I'll be sure to have that down below in the description box as well. So I did flexi rod these last night on Instagram Live, and I actually got a question from somebody asking if your hair needed to be wet or dry to get this look, and you can go in with either wet or dry hair. That is a cool thing about flexi rods. It really doesn't matter if they're wet or dry. I'm telling you, these are the coolest and easiest way to achieve flexi rods without heat. If you are new to flexi rods and you want a tighter curl than this, they actually come in assorted sizes. So don't feel like, you know, you're bound or constricted to this size. These are the biggest sizes that I have in the pack. And I really didn't want that tight of curls. I actually always do tight curls, so I just wanted to experiment with these. But it does come with a bunch of different colors. Like there are smaller ones, medium-sized ones. I mean, you can just play around with all the colors that they give you. And the different colors are different sizes, and you can go in and use those and achieve different variations of curls. I'm going to go in with an oil. Here are two oils, coconut oil and the anti-frizz serum by Garnier Fructis. I think I'm going to use this anti-frizz serum. Trying to decide. Yeah, I'm gonna use this anti-frizz serum. It doesn't really make a difference, but this is like more so for styling. And the coconut oil is for moisture, like moisturizing the hair, and this actually feels moisturized enough. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hands. This is just to make sure my hands are not like dry or anything like that. I'm just going to take a curl, pull it down as far as it can go, and separate it. And obviously, the more flexi rods you use, the more defined your curls will be. But how many flexi rods did I use? $13, and then the 14th one dropped on the floor. So 14 flexi rods, and this is the result that I got. In my flexi rod tutorial, the one that I have posted on my channel, I definitely used more. So if you would like to see what more flexi rods would give you, then definitely check out that video. Doing this, make sure you do not apply the hot comb directly to the lace. It is really hot and it can definitely burn the lace. You also want to be careful and not burn yourself because it's very hot and you can burn yourself. Just be very careful when dealing with a hot comb. So it's still not laying as flat as I would like it to. So I'm gonna go in with my Cream of Nature Argan Oil of Morocco Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. Just getting a little bit on my hands. And this will help lay down your closure, your frontal, whatever it may be. I only ever really apply this directly to my lace. I never put it on my actual hair. Well, I don't put it, let me rephrase that. I only ever put it on my lace products. I don't put it on my bundles or anything wefted. I solely use it to lay down the front. And it actually, I thought it had alcohol in it. It does not have any alcohol in it. It has pretty good and safe products. So, you know, nothing to worry about. But I just don't like to put it on. I try to keep my extensions as free of products as possible. Like oils are enough for me, leave-in conditioner is enough for me. A little bit more of the sleek and shine. It's a little bit, it's still a little bit wet, which is irritating, but I only left it in my hooded dryer for like 15 minutes and I left it on a towel all bunched up, so that is why. I'm gonna get my scarf to tie this down real quick, and then we'll leave it tied down for a few minutes, and then I will be done styling my hair. Okay, so I think that was long enough, so I'm just gonna take this down. So this is JHA's Raw Indian Straight Hair. I have in the lengths 22, 22, 22, and I believe a 20-inch matching lace closure. This hair is 1 year old, and I did go in and bleach this hair. I bleached this hair one time. This was a one-time process, and the bleach sat on at least the very light part, I would say for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then the rest of the hair, I pretty much just finished putting highlights and bleach in the rest of the hair, and then I just washed it all out. So I would say the whole process took about maybe anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes with the remainder of the hair, and then the front was about 45 minutes to an hour. And yeah, this is the result that I got. If you want the full tutorial, be sure to check out the description bar below. I will have a link that will take you right to the tutorial. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram at Juicy Hair Affair, okay? I styled this hair live yesterday for my followers, and I'm pretty active on Instagram. If you want to reach me, if you want to contact me, if you have any questions, I'm pretty accessible through DM as well as through email. So go ahead and follow me at Juicy Hair Affair, and shoot me an email if you have any questions, juicyhairaffair@gmail.com. And as always, have an affair with your hair. Don't forget to shop juicyhairaffair.com for temptingly appealing raw Indian hair. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay blessed and stay juicy.